through unfolded pages, each one a page saved from oblivion. The handcrafted papers collectively form a living mosaic of visual commitment to SDG 12 responsible consumption and production, which states that everything that is taken from the land can be given a new life and purpose. The paper train serves not only as an accessory to the main garment, it is a journey through the time, definitely carrying the tales of the past to a caring and green future. Flashing with rolled pages, the bodice is enriched with the visual appeal of curves and shadows of wildly symbolic art of lands for the most part forgotten with roots still unturned with eyes now open to the plight and demand to guard these underground natural habitats, primarily meant for those promoting of SDG 15 life of land. Once again, contestant number 2, Sunshine Boy.